And Marsh.
And today we're doing a Bloxburg house tour.
Yep.
Sorry if I don't talk much in this video. I'm trying to make a cheerleading
Thank
statue thing.
She's doing that. Yeah, I'm on the phone with her. And if we're able, I might be at Katie's next weekend. Right.
Because I'm actually chilling. I'm not going to say my school. Why are you in the house? You need a house tour. At least
Nope.
not the way show about.
There, you guys ready for the house tour?
Leaders.
Okay, I'm starting. No, I'm starting the house tour. This is the amazing living room. She did basically build half of this house. She built this. She built the pantry. I put the auto sensor. No, actually I didn't. There's the chips coming out of the wall. Let's do some parkour with them. Can't. Wait. And then into the hall door. Oh, whoops! I didn't remember the bathroom. Here's our amazing shower. Here's our amazing toilet, amazing sink, and amazing bath. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, so next one. This is where we'll go to the bunker. We have our mini fridge, our stove, our counters, chair, table. You still have to eat hot dogs. Cooler, and there's another cooler. Here we have the best room, the lay down room, where we can change our clothes. Listen to that stuff.
Yes.
And then here's some unicorns and some cars. Bunker picture. Notice tornado shelter. This is the bathroom in here. Here's the laundry room. Okay, we're gonna do some laundry, guys. Let's do. We got kicked from the server when this was happening. I'm not sure if you guys can hear this, but if you can, it sounds amazing. You already got. Oh God! Oh Jesus! What is this? Oh my God! I just wanted to show you. Oh my gosh! Work it, bitch. Okay, and here's the mop and broom. I haven't actually gotten to use these yet. That is cool. Is a mama here to be doing dishes? Kidding, she's not a mama. She's my child, aka my cousin.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, yeah. Then we'll show them my room. Here's the kids' room. Okay, here's the best room of all. Drum roll, please. Turn on the lights. Do not turn on the lights. Here's the best part of this house. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Praise Elmo. Let's get it. I haven't actually seen this picture yet. Dora, she's back and unapproved by Martha. Hashtag yeet, by the way, guys. Nike's, Adidas, egg hunters. I like how it just sounds like a gunshot. Like a gun being loaded. And here's another secret room, guys. I already showed him the bunker. Your small hangout room. I'm going. Here you guys go. Here's the area where the cash register and the table should be. You're gonna fix that soon. Not yet, but you're gonna fix that soon. Because I have a hotel. Here's one room, and here's the other. Then there's the guest room in here. It's good, I know. Listen to me play the piano, guys. It does. Yeah, it's good. Okay. There's nothing in the next rooms because I haven't worked on that yet. Five, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. And tell them how long it took you to hit all that. Hey, you're faster than me. You catch up. Oh, by the way, these are some messed up pillars, but they look really cool, so I'm keeping them like that. Okay, you can see this is a secret room that none of our kids have seen yet. But, YouTuber room. And this camera. Hashtag speakers. Did you see that? You just did it yourself. Up here's this. Here's is the hangout. Yeah, we kind of hooked on that. Here's the hangout room. Oh, dude, there's another new person. Oh, wait, no. Oh, there isn't. I was about to say there's another new person across the street, but there's not. It's cooler than yours, that's for sure. It's cooler than yours. It's cooler than that house right there. Bye.